Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to group multiple worksheets in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet so that way you could edit them all at the same time. So in this example here we have three different sales sheets here, US, UK, and AU. And you notice, let's say we wanted to make the second word capitalized to go along with the first word. We want everything capitalized there. So what you could do, you could either right-click, select all sheets, or you could hold down Control and just select the ones you want, like that. And what you should do is start with the one you want to edit. So I'm going to start on US sales. That way it's active here. And then I could select these two, because if I go here and then click on AU to work there, then it deactivates these and I have to go do that again, like so on. So going back here, we'll just go like that. So we'll change this to capital letters here for the first couple, just for an example. And so now you can see if I go to the other sheets, they are changed as well. And even if I want to, let's say, delete something, let's say I don't want this discounts column here, H. Now if I go here, you can see H is gone and now it's sales instead of discounts, and it did it for all of them. So it comes in handy if you need to make the same changes to all your sheets, if they're kind of configured the same way like this one. So once again, just either right click on one, select all sheets, or hold down Control key and select the ones you want. Just make sure you start with the one you want to work out of, so that way it's up front for you. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.